Yo, 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 yo. Hope you guys having a good week so far, man. Sorry about not streaming for the past 2 days because I have got something going on. But yesterday was very quiet. But Monday was pretty nice as well. No news, but it's pretty quiet. But you guys probably couldn't um could probably have an idea of what the market is doing. It's Monday and Tuesday. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty chill for the most part. There's nothing too crazy. So hopefully you guys having a good week so far. So give me a second before I start. Right. Alright. Where is my camera at? Alright. Actually, give me a sec. Alright. Hopefully, you guys have a good week so far. Like off the bat, I kind of have an idea of what is happening, but let me see if everything is up. I'm pretty sure we have news folder later on today as well, so that's nice. Yeah, PMI. So that will bring volume for us to see price move. Thursday and Friday. Okay. Tomorrow is quite big as well, unemployment claims. So I'm assuming today, tomorrow and Friday price will start to move once the photos comes out, like it always does. Right, so without further ado, let's just jump in our analysis. So let's start over to monthly again. So far, this monthly candle opened up, right? No bottom wick. Like all it does is open up, driving straight up. Still not got a bottom wick here. Now, when price move in one direction, right? In order for it to continue its direction, I'm assuming that you're gonna have to come down for a bottom wick, which is a retracement or liquidity grab or whatever you want to call it, or a bottom wick. Right, again, the monthly still not got a bottom wick, right? 7 days left in the month. Any given time, it's still a possibility that the monthly can still flip, and if the monthly actually flip, that will be a bearish candle closure on the monthly, and I'm assuming that is now become your resistant. Again, still 7 days left. You're still very much bullish here, but I'm still open to the possibility that the monthly could flip any given time, because you are so far from March. You've been pushing up. You have not created structure on the way up. It's literally a single push up. That's all it's been doing. So I would not be surprised that if the monthly actually end up flip and come down and end up closing bearish. If the monthly flip and closing bearish, it wouldn't flip bullish again, because you only have 7 days left in the month, right? So far you're still pushing up here like this. I'm still bullish, right? But I'm still open to the idea, because of the fact that you've been pushing pretty much for the past 5 months. Any given time, this monthly candle can still come down for a bottom wick. That's all I'm saying. So far, the weekly coming up for top wick, come back inside the range, close bearish, respecting this level right here, 24.25. Now you're coming after getting above wick, you flip on the weekly to create a higher top wick. The question is, where is your top wick going to be on the weekly if this is a liquidity grab on the weekly for you to come down and for the rest of the range towards 2300. So there's some level on the left that you can look for, 2430 and 2450. These two top wick right here that I'm looking at, that could be the possibility of a top wick on the weekly. Now the question is, are you gonna push all the way up there and then come down? That probably gonna need a lot of volume, and today's Wednesday now, so if you were to drive down, you're gonna need to start moving down and then flip and re-break the low on the weekly for you to confirm that is a top wick on the weekly and come back inside the range and start driving. Because if you look on a daily, if you move down to a daily is actually interesting. Daily moved back inside the range, right? Made a fake out, closed back inside the range. Yesterday we closed respecting this area right here, 2410, right? And so far onto a daily, like daily is bullish, right? You close bullish on the daily, right? There's no arguing about that. Where did you close? You could respect in this level right here, and the fact that you close this respecting level right here, any given time that today daily can flip here, and this could be a top wick on the daily for it to come down and close bearish. And then again, look on the daily top wick level. There's a top wick right here on 2416, and that minimum requirements has tapped. So the question is this the level of top wick on the daily, or is going to be this level, or is going to be this top wick, 2430? So it's either this, which is hard tapped right now, or it's going to be 2430, and one is flip and re-break the low on the daily candle. I'm assuming that is your top wick for it to come down and close, and if it was going to close, it will close bearish. So that is where you look at it in the small time frame. So let's drop that onto the 4. So the 4, like off the bat, I can see that you close no top wick, right? Which is interesting. Like you close no top wick, you didn't actually close above here. Like if you close above here, that'd be a different story, but like you close respecting, which is nice. 4 hour no top wick, that is a big indication. You tap this level right here, like 2418, 2417, that is the top wick on the daily that I was talking about. You tap there now. Now if you continue to push up, there's a couple level that's on the way as well. That could be the top wick on the daily, 2424 or 2431. Looking at the 4 hour candles, you have no top wick and you're pushing down. So let me just mark up these level then before we drop down even further. So look at the 30 minutes, you close bearish, right? You got a level right here, which is nice. But you're stuck in this range right here, so it's a little bit tough to trade right now. But what I would say though is that looking at the 5-minute candle right here, that if you close below 24.13, you should have a clean traffic to drive down. Yeah, like every time you come up here, tax 24.14, a closure below, you come all the way down towards 24.08. With the 4 hours no top wick. If the candle closed below 24.14, I'm assuming you're coming down here. Or ultimately, if you close at looking you can even close below 24.12, and that should be a good level for you to come down to 24.08. That means you come back inside this range right here. Again, the 4 hours no got a top wick, right? And the daily come up and tap that exact level, or the top wicks come tap that exact level. So if the daily flip here, that'd be very interesting, because then you have the range to come down towards the bottom of the range. So yeah, very nice. Or what we can do though is that we can wait for the 4 hour to re-break the low and could possibly come down there and take that entry. So I'm looking at this could be a potential drop down. This could be a potential drop down. Every time you come up there, what do? You come all the way to 24.08, especially with the 4 hours has no bottom wick. What's the range from here to here? 18. You know what I do here, chat? I'm gonna have a sell stop when they re-break the low here. Alright. just on the re-break of the low. Because I'm assuming that if you re-break the low, that with the 4 hour candle re-break the low. Come up here, tap here. You have a minor support right here, which is cool. Okay. If we come down and re-break the low here, we might be in a position here. Again, if you were to drive up, right? The last time you come out here, if you were driving up, you come all the way towards here. And that is what? That's a 4 hour and break to the low. I'm just looking left. That's the only piece of data that I can look at. So and look at the 15 as well. If we get full here, 24.11 will be our next destination. That's your next minor support right there. Two minutes for the 15 candle closure here. I mean, the 15 did create a fake out. Come back inside range. And the next thing it should do is continuation. Make a top wick. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it continued to drop down towards 24.11 here. I'll be back in a second, chat. Now on the closure on the 15 here, I might have a earlier entry. Depends on how the 15 kind of close. No, depends on how the 15 kind of opening. Sorry. Nice. Very nice. You come down, you break the low. Very nice. Alright. Got filled here. Stop loss would be on the 4-hour candle high. And make it a risk-free trade, right guys? 15 no top wick. If you drive down, you drive down here. I'm assuming you should be able to come down. Alright. Break even. That was a real quick re-break the low there. Now against the 15 no top wick, it's a little bit tough to stay in still. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the re-break the low of the 4. Because then that, if you re-break the low again, I'm assuming that you should be able to drive down towards this level right here onto your left. The 15 no top wick though, so it's a little bit tough. But you close below, which is nice. Again, it's like you got range towards 24.11. That's only 4 pips range. Do I really want to stay there though? Because that is your advantage point. Nah, it's not this trade. Oh, I got filled there. Alright. So that's a re-break to the low. Break even will be still that area right there. You're not tapped there yet. But overall, on the 15, I'm assuming you should be able to come down. Towards there. We really did got filled there, huh? Stop loss will be on the 4-hour candle flip, right? Because if the 4-hour candle flip, it should continue to drive up. And that's our 60 pips. Stop, so. I'm assuming you should be able to fill this range though. Towards 24.11. The overall on the 1 hour though, every time you tap here, you do come all the way down towards that level. So like TP overall though is 24.08, but we'll see what it does here. Now on the rebreak the low and you come down towards 24.11, stop loss into break even straight away, right guys? You should see another push here. Yeah, always break even. That's right. If you don't push all the way towards like 24.11 here, I'm afraid that you could wait for the next hourly candle to create a top wick before it's come down further. But with a 15 candle made fake out like this, I'm assuming after fill the range, you should continue to fill the next range, which is what it's doing right now. Timing is a little bit off though. Hopefully the 4 hour would not close, no, the 1 hour would not close no bottom wick, because if the 1 hour closes no bottom wick, I will manually manage my risk straight away. But how how much would you push of this candle here? Good thing is the 30 minutes candle closing, the 1 hour candle closing like this, which is nice. You have this bottom of the range to fill still. When it does that, we'd be good. Alright, 1 minute for 1 hour candle closure here. '15 flip, like very last minute. Interesting. Again, I would not do anything differently though, because like for you to drive up, I'm looking at this driving up here. So we see. Still got the 1 hour wick fill. Assuming you're driving up. Assuming if you were to drive up, I'm assuming you're going to tap towards 2408 because that's what you do every time you drive up. So that's what I've got going on here. 30 minutes and 15. To a 5 pips on a 5 minutes candle, very nice. Top it could be in 2414. Top it could very much be at 2414 here by the look of it. 2414, 2416, those kind of level. That's 10. Okay. even look at the daily, where's the bottom wick you tend to tap to grab liquidity. 2401. So you've got shit ton of range before you drive up. Focus on the 1 hour. That's your best friend. Like for you to drive up, you're going to need liquidity. Up here, down here, at 401. But I'm just looking at like the rejection, like with the 1 hour as well, still got a wick fill. So we could see, man. Just look at the 1 hour. Just stay with the 1 hour. 25 pips. Ew, that 5's close ugly, man. No bottom wick. That's just one ugly 5 minutes candle closure, that. Like once I see like you break the low and you tap towards like 24.10, stop loss until break even, right guys? Like overall, the TP I'm looking at is at 24.08, but there is a minor level on the way, so you want to be very careful, bro. Yeah, you come up 2014, you tap there. Now you should see a wick fill coming down, break the low on the 1 hour, coming down to its 24.10. As long as this 15 minutes doesn't close, no bottom wick here, man. Looks like you are going to close no bottom wick, yeah. Okay. Can you come down and break the low here? Because that will be the re-break the low of on a 4. Okay, 5 closed doji. Can you fly down and break low here? in terms of closure on the 1 hour, close below here. Every time you close below here, you come all the way down here to fill that range. So like, I'm hoping it's not going to be a long session, man. Man. Hey, yeah. Good thing is, if the 30-minute candle closes below like this, the next 30-minute candle should be able to come down for the wick after a top wick though. Alright, cool. The 30-minute candle closed below, closed bearish. Now, after create a top wick, can you come down? I'm gonna let my trade run in here, and I need to run for something, so I'll catch you guys when the trade's finished. Alright, I'll leave my alert on the rebreak low on the 30 minutes low, so it should be fine. I was mute. I didn't even know. It's been a while since we had break even on stream. Like, we has been pretty consistent. However, the entry today is a little bit off though, because like the 1 hour candle closure with the 30 minutes candle closure, we can definitely take advantage of this white fill coming down on the 1 hour on a 1 hour candle. And that was it. That was it, man. Very good. But yeah, I got a dip now. I need to get some stuff done. Alright, so with that being said, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream, alright? And don't be formal, or don't get rocked just because you had to break even. You followed your plan, and you're a winner at the end of the day, and that's what matters, right? So with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next stream, and hopefully yeah, man. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. If you continue to trade, make sure you trade with stop loss and break even, alright? And catch you guys tomorrow morning. Okay? Alright, peace out.